Recording. Okay. So yesterday we saw list data structure in detail. Today we are gonna do string. So what is string? Most of you might have already know. So I'm just gonna say name Mahesh. Okay. So this is how you define the string, but there are lot more things in string. You can treat string as a list. For example, I can write name of 0 and I'm gonna get M. Yeah. But what's a thing to notice? I cannot change the name. I cannot change the value in between for the string because strings are immutable. Yeah. Look, here you are able to see that strings are immutable, uh, and it doesn't support assignment of uh, elements in between. But what one thing you can do is I can write name underscore 1 and Mahesh and name underscore 2, can write Kumar, then I can write full name is equal to name underscore 1 plus name underscore 2, and I can full underscore name. So this is the way in which you can concatenate two strings. I hope you guys know what's concatenation. It's just joining. And what, let's say I have a sentence named Prashant and Om are late to class today, and I can just say sentence dot split, and I can print yeah. So it's gonna split all these things with respect to spaces and put them in the array. So this whole sentence, this string is taken and it's gonna split it with respect to spaces. So this is one of the most useful method in NLP. You will learn it when I will teach you NLP. Uh, and what's one more thing which you can do is if we have a sentence like this, let's say rice, comma, wheat, comma, bread, comma, idli, comma, roti, comma, sabzi, and yeah, let's say I have this like this instead of spaces, I have comma, and if I need to split it with respect to comma, then what I can do is I can just write sentence dot split, and then over here I can specify comma, and then I can print ARR. So it just split it. Whatever delimiter which you want, you can specify it over here. Let's say if I had a hyphen over here, it's gonna any guess what's gonna be the array length?
It
Yeah,
Yeah,
Prashant.
yeah, I think it should be 5 now.
No.
Okay.
One, two, three, four, five. Yes, you are correct. It's gonna be five. This right and wheat came together. Yes, it is five. Uh, so this is how you will split the string. And let's say I have a list of strings. In this, it says I love programming in Python, and I want to make it into a single list separated by a space. So how we can achieve that is I can just type a space inside double quotes and then dot and then join and then list one, and I'm gonna print sentence. So it has joined all these elements uh, with respect to a space. But I want it in some other fashion. I want it like this. I love programming in Python. If you want it like this, then what we should do is sentence is equal to hyphen join list one and then print sentence. So it gave me output in this format. So by whatever character or element you wanted it to join, that you can specify it over here, and it's gonna uh, join all the elements in the string and all the elements in the list and provides you a string. So I can put double, triple asterisk, and it's gonna work like this. Now let's say I have a sentence like this, which is I love programming in Python, but I don't want this triple asterisk symbol. I wanted them to be replaced by triple hyphen symbol. So replace triple star with triple hyphen. So how can I do it? So sentence is equal to sentence dot replace, and then I can specify triple asterisk and I can write triple dash and then sentence. So it just replaced wherever triple asterisk was there with triple dash. And let's say if you want to find some occurrence, find occurrence of ing in the string. So how you can achieve it is print sentence dot find and then you can specify ing. So it occurred in 19th index. So let's take for simple L, which occurs in fifth, sorry, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, fourth index, and let's check. Yeah, so it appears in fourth index. And let's say you want to count occurrence of some string.
So Mahesh,
Um,
how is it
huh.
considering the string as an array now? Like when you are using this find function, so
Yes.
it's making all the words
Uh,
in array,
Find
letters in.
function, I don't think you will have it in uh, a list. No, you cannot have it in list. It's
No,
not.
no. Okay.
Huh?
So in string itself, it is making the string in an array, right? Like it's counting the index. So all the
Yes.
letters are
Yes. Yes.
separated
I
with
told you, right? Over here, string is like array of characters.
okay.
You can access it with respect to index. Okay.
So Mahesh, strings
Hmm.
can be treated like an array.
Strings can be treated like an array, but you strings are immutable.
Okay.
You guys know about concept of mutable and immutable, or do you want me to explain?
So it cannot be changed, right?
Yes. Mutable means we can change it by using assignment operator, as I did over here. But
Mm-hmm.
as it is immutable, we cannot change it like by using the assignment operator.
No, wait. Here I didn't get you. We can replace it with assignment operator, but we cannot replace it with.
I cannot replace it with assignment operator. I cannot
Okay.
change the individual indices. I
Hmm.
can change the whole thing. I can,
Hmm.
wait, let me show it to you. I can do it like this. Okay. But I cannot, this operation is allowed. Okay. But you cannot change the individual indices like this.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
So that's the concept of mutable and immutable. Prashant, you got it? Om.
Yes, Mahesh, I
Yes,
got it.
Mahesh, understood.
Okay, cool. So last concept in string, which is nothing but count. So if you want to count occurrence of some uh, particular sequence, then you can use count function. So let's take this example. Over here, you can see ing has occurred only once. So let's print it. ing has occurred once. Let's say how many times did the word n occurred? I think it's 1, 2, 3 times. So yes. So how many times did the word Mahesh has occurred in this? So it's none. So it outputted 0. So this is how you can play with string. And one more operation is nothing but slicing, which is similar to whatever we studied in list. It just reverses everything. Uh, Slicing all rules applied to string and list. Okay. Next thing which we are gonna see is known as tuple. So And one more thing, I think I haven't mentioned it in list while explaining you the list. List is order data type. Okay. And list is mutable. You can change the elements of the list in runtime. Okay. Let me add string over here. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So what are tuple? Tuple are similar to list, but with one minor difference, like tuple is immutable and tuple cannot be extended. So you cannot add or remove element into tuple. So can you tell me, is there any advantage in using tuple when compared to list? Tuple elements can be accessed via indexes. Hmm. Yeah, guys, can you tell me, is there any advantage of using tuple?
So I mean, we can make the new assignment to tuples, right? I mean,
New assignments
so yeah,
that is possible in list as well.
yeah, no, that's not a feature, but I'm just trying to see how it is different. So we cannot, I mean, it's just, what I can see is like it is similar to string.
Yes. So let's see few example, then you can give the answer in the end. Tuple, you will define it by using common bracket and 1, 2, 3, and you can print tuple 1, and if you want to check the data type, use tuple 1, and you can see the data type as tuple, and this is how you will have tuple. And you can access tuple element using indices, and but you cannot change the value of the element present in the tuple. This operation is not allowed, and slicing rules apply to tuple as well. And see what else is there. Yeah, that's it with respect to tuple. So, and tuples can be heterogeneous as well, like this 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma brush. Pranit, home. So you can have like this as well, not an issue. Yeah. So coming to major advantage of tuple is in terms of memory. So it is memory efficient. So tuples are memory efficient because they are immutable. So because of this, uh, tuples are consume less memory, and they are preferred whenever possible. So any doubts?
So Mahesh, we never initiate any variable, right? Like if it's
Hmm?
integer or a string in Python, we never
Yes.
initiate
No,
the
no,
variables.
no.
So in tuple, if
Hmm.
we have a heterogeneous list, let's say tuple or a list,
Hmm.
and what I have to do is I have to take the A of the Prashant,
Okay.
because Prashant is a string, right? And
Hmm.
a
Hmm.
string is also a list. And
Hmm.
can we take that A? I mean, the where
Yes.
index, what is
Yes.
the
Yes.
index of A?
Index of A is 0, 1, 2. So I can write it like this. Oh, sorry. Ah,
That will consider it as a matrices, right?
no, no.
Hmm.
Oh, 1 second. Sorry. 4. 0, 1, 2, 3. Sorry, my bad. What happened? Yeah. So
Okay.
this is how you are gonna do it, and whatever
What is the
you are
data type of A?
saying, that is also possible, but you will fail if the data type changes.
Yeah. So right now, what is the data type of A?
Huh? Data type of
A. I mean, the first, yeah. So A, you declared a variable, right? So what is the data type?
yeah, you can just print type of A and it gives you it is string.
Okay. Great.
Huh?
Yeah. I mean, I'm good, Mahesh.
Okay. So this logic, whatever you told, it is like 2D matrix. Yes, that is true, but it will fail if data type is different. You can use it, not an issue, if you are sure that this contains only strings or only tuple inside a tuple, then or tuple inside a list or list inside a tuple, then you can definitely use this thing. Not at all a issue. Yeah. So next thing which we are gonna see is set. How many of you remember sets from your class 10th, 11th, and 12th?
Yes, I remember set theory, but yeah, it
Unique
has pretty
values.
much eroded from my mind now, as of now.
Okay.
I
Okay.
don't remember it clearly.
So
Okay.
we have unique values, right, in sets.
Yes, you are right. Sets have unique values with no duplicates. Okay. And sets are unordered, meaning you cannot access by specifying index. Okay. And sets are heterogeneous in nature. Pardon me if heterogeneous spelling is wrong. And What else is there for sets? Yeah, sets are declared by curly braces. Okay, so I will say set1 is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 100 comma 20. So, and I can print set1, it will print set1. So, and there is no guarantee that this order is going to come. So it just printed in the same order, but again, I'm telling you that it's not necessary uh, rule that it will come in the same order. So you can also check print type of set1, and you can see it as type as set. And one more thing is sets are mutable, meaning you can add or remove elements from the set. So how you can add element to the set is nothing but set1 dot add, and then I'm adding 200. So print set underscore 1. So 200 is added, and if I want to remove, let's say 20, I can use the remove method, and 20 got removed.
So
From
Mahesh, is it heterogeneous or homogeneous?
it is heterogeneous. I have written right.
So I mean we can also include strings in set.
Yes, yes. Uh, let me show it to you. Yeah.
And we cannot add the same Pranit word again.
You can do that, but let me show some more thing to you. It doesn't throw any error, but thanks that you brought this up. You know that Pranit is already present in the set, but Mahesh is not present in the set. So when I run this, oh, it doesn't give. Sorry, I'm getting confused. Yeah, it doesn't return any type. And let's say if I try removing Prashant. So it throwed me an error saying that Prashant is not present. So you have to be careful and check and then remove the element from the set.
So is it case sensitive, Mahesh?
Yes, Python is case sensitive.
No, this strings also, like
Yeah,
if I
string is also case sensitive.
so if I add Pranit with small caps, it will include it.
And it will throw me an error. But if I do with capital P, it runs fine.
Okay, and but the string functions will remain the same. I cannot change the a inside Pranit.
No, you cannot change.
Okay.
Yeah. And there are few more methods inside this set, and then we will look into dictionary, and then I will teach you about functions, and that's end of Python. Next from next class in the sense next week onwards, we are gonna see NumPy. I'm not gonna teach you OOPS. That's homework for you. If you need resources, I will post it in the channel. Please check out the channel and let me know if you have any doubts. Okay, guys. Let's meet in next session.